Of the hackathon recently, and I wanted to show you a preview. So the story is, as a secure engineer responsible for protecting a fleet of Macs, I want Fleet to detect, alert, on, block, and respond to malicious activity and malicious apps on macOS endpoints in real time, so that I can identify, block, and contain threats without relying on a separate third-party EDR. So the immediate goal on this for me is to get this on our dog food on our test devices, but I'll show you what we have so far. So let's start with application control. This is where we are able to block malicious apps. So we have policies here, and we can add rules, different types. We have SHA-256, but we'll have other ones that you may have seen from other tools like Santa. And then we can customize a message. So I have already created a rule here. And let's go ahead and look at our VM. So first of all, we have the agent running here, and it is using the network extension and security extension. Security extension allows us to see running processes and block them, which will be happening here. And network extension allows us to see network traffic and also block network traffic. So I am trying, the app I blocked is Calculator. So if I try to run it, I get this pop-up, application blocked, with the custom message that's coming from the server. Now, let's go and see what the server sees. So if we go to alert, we see this alert that just happened. And if we open it up, we see the process, we see some details about the process. This by itself is not very interesting, but we do have a previous alert where you can actually see the full history of the lineage of what actually started that process. So if you're investigating an incident, a security incident, you have all this additional data. So this is not just a one-off app to block processes. This is a full-featured EDR. Now, we have other things that we're detecting because you can see these other alerts like keychain credential dump, suspicious exec. So we have added several detection rules, and we'll not be going into detail, but we can, everything is documented in the app itself regarding what they do or why they do it. There's also a way to kind of explore the processes right now. So I actually have a host pulled up here that you can see kind of all the processes running right now or that were running recently, and then we can search them by something. So we have that, and those are the major features. So we got the basic application control, we got a bunch of rules we're running. We also have SSO, two-factor authentication break glass account, RBAC for the security roles, and the future direction is to be actually, in addition to blocking applications, to be actually blocking domains and be able to quarantine this host so it cannot access the web except for Fleet. And also we want to create an app for Windows, an agent for Windows to do kind of a similar thing for Windows. And that's it for the preview.